Everyone, I am coming at you today with my June kit lineup. I don't know if this was in my lineup, so I'm just going to show you what's in here. So this is the week of May 29th to the 4th. I feel like this was in my lineup. Come on out, baby. And this is Batu Bound. I'm going to Disney, and I just have the mixed metal silver and matte bronze, and then that is in confetti. And then I have the Galaxy underlays from Planet Hannah, which I'm going to do. I'll actually need to grab. Actually, I don't even know if I have matte silver underlays because I was going to do a mixed, but I think I just might do like mixed underlays underneath because I was going to do like matte silver under this, unless I order something from Hannah to put with this, which I may because I feel like it could be real cute. But I have to figure out what exactly I'd want to do. Like even maybe like a wavy pattern or something. I don't know. Or like lines or something in the opposite to put behind it. Now I have thoughts. And then I'm going to do a manual mixed metal with this situation. The whole nine. It's going to be cute. Or maybe I'll just do the bougie underneath. The mixed metal bougie. And make it easy for myself. I feel like these colors are very similar. I'm just looking at this because I have my other releases. And this was such a pretty like colorway. So that is the safari art. Then this is the week. I actually don't have foil pulled for this, so I'm going to pull something with you here. This is the week that Marg is coming to visit me, so I'm going to use the Planner Besties kit, which was initially for like our friend-iversary. So stinking cute. And I have the fashion extra label and the doodles. And then I think foil-wise for this one, I don't have any like, what's it called? I don't have any like Once More with Love foil, or I do, but it's like, I don't really know where, but I think I want to use Sparkly Hollow with this. I feel like it's just calling for it, even though, fun fact, Marg hates hollow more than like, honestly, I think she hates anything, because Marg doesn't really not like anything. She's just all around, just loves most things. So let me try and find a foil bundle I feel like will go well with this. I feel like, honestly, I'm looking at all of them and they'd be, like, very cute. I feel like Luxe might be cute. Marg is not, like, super into, like, luxury type things, but I think it could be cute. Otherwise, I don't really know. There's, like, a lot of, like, basic kind of, like this. I'm going to go with this. So this is, I think, just regular champagne, not champagne lights, Sparkly Hollow. Oh, no, it's like chunkier. I think I might mix these. I don't think it's really going to be super noticeable. Or maybe I'll do this and then I always forget, like you always forget too, maybe in your own collection, that I have like a la carte sheets. So I think I'm just going to pull some of those in. So for example, I'm going to do Luxe, just because I think it's fun. And then I'm also going to pull in some, there's no tall boxes in here or anything. Let's see what kind of quotes we have. And Sparkly Hollow. Okay, you're a true friend here till the end. That's a Hannah Montana quote, so we're using that. And then as far as a la carte foil goes, sorry, I'm so like today. I'm going to pull out the bows because I feel like the bows would just be very cute versus the like Luxe that's in here. And then I'm also going to go to the confetti section and just grab a 15 millimeter strip just in case. And then some fine glitter headers, which I only actually have 2 of, so I'm just gonna, I don't know, maybe I need to get more of those in the full box. I feel like they're not even like, we need more glitter. So we're gonna do this. Let's do a new sheet. And then, or wait, there's these. That's a full sheet worth of the like chunky confetti glitter. And then I'm also just gonna grab, this has 2 and then this has 6. This is 6 total full boxes for that. And I think that that will be a perfect little look for that. And I think that the, I don't know, I have rainbow sitting here, but we're gonna put it back. I think that'll be perfect with this. I feel like I could have did like a fun color, but I'm feeling like Sparkly Hollow is just it with all of these, like the blues and the purples. I think it's gonna be really nice. Or Lavender Hollow, but I really just gonna go with the Sparkly Hollow for this one. Then next we have the week of Father's Day, and for the week of Father's Day I am going to use the September mystery kit, which was kind of like Western Westworld themed, and I think it turned out so stinking cute. I think it's also perfect for June too, or like just like summer in general. And then I have some autumn tie-dye stuff from Hannah, and I think I might have ordered something else in autumn tie-dye for this kit, maybe like a script sheet or like something that'll be coming soon, but I got the cowboy underlays. I just think the autumn tie-dye is really fun with it. You can also do like a copper, you could do a gold, you could do a silver, you could do a like caramel or like a regular gold, light gold, even like champagne lights would be really fun. I have this one, and I figured I could pull in, there is like gold colors as well as like silver. So I feel like, oh my gosh, exciting pass holder info for June. I get distracted easily. I feel like I could pull in gold as well as silver. So I think when the time comes, I'm probably going to pull out some, I think gold, because there's more like gold bits in here, and just add some gold. Let me show you next to gold. I think it would be a really good match to pull out the gold, but like I said, you could also probably pull out the silver or pull out the more bronzy color. So I just have the confetti 4, which I can cut up. Like I could put like corners on the sides. I could cut this and make it a wide box. I could cut it this way, make it a tall box. I could do other sides. I could do literally anything. I could do all 4 if I wanted to. And then I also have the cowboy overlays, which I think will be nice to even just put like the ones with like little bits around. And these are also deco bits as well. So I think between all of this, and then I'm going to probably pull out some like gold headers. Let me actually just do that now, because whenever the day comes, am I going to remember? I don't know. So I'm just going to pull out some gold header overlays. Probably also, I'm going to do the fine glitter for this one. And I'm also going to pull out this just in case I don't want to use both of these. I think I can use like just that and then bring in more of the gold. And then I think anything that I bring into the spread that is like scripts and stuff, if there's anything that I use that's foiled, I will opt for gold. But like I said, I think you could even do like the autumn tie-dye with gold or silver, or you could do like a mixed metal with both. And I think that'd be really, really fun. So again, I'm using this for the week of Father's Day. Nick likes Westworld, but I also just think like cute in general. Then I have this kit here, which is going to be for the week of my mother-in-law's birthday, which I am going to be using. Oh wait, I have them. Okay, I put them in my cart. I don't know why I thought I don't know. I like did a haul clip where I was like, I got the sparkly hollow versions of this, and I was like, oh, I thought I ordered this foil color, and then I put it in my cart because I was like, I must have messed up. Somehow I have it. I don't know how this happens. Anyways, I don't know if this is the same foil, but these are old, and I think they are. So I don't know if this foil was like maybe like a foil a long time ago. She had a little extra of and was doing freebies with them or what, but I think they're the same color. But I had these. These were like my first, I think, freebie with Hannah, which says hands down this is the best day I can ever remember, which I just want to sing. Plain Hannah, Spray Cuddles, Mickey, Heart, and Cloud. And I think that this is going to be so fun. This color foil will be so fun with this kit. It's kind of a bold move, I feel like, for me. And I am going to order those same overlays. And then I think as far as like headers and stuff, I'm probably going to just do like regular gold. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, maybe I'll even order header like overlays because she has a lot of like birthday themed things. But I also feel like I could use champagne lights with this. I don't know if I have anything champagne lights. Okay, I don't have champagne lights, but I have her Pixie Gold, which I feel like is the same tone. I could order stuff in that too if I wanted to be like more minimal, but I need to order some more stuff for this. I'm thinking I'm probably going to order the, like maybe something, oh, I ordered the flower, like they're just flower shaped bottom washi for this kit. And then maybe I did order already the little like side, like the ones that I had for this kit, the full box overlay type situation. And then for headers, I might go back and order something like a sprinkle or something along the lines of that just to tie it all together. And then for the rest of the kit, I can use champagne lights or gold. This is a very disorientated situation here. And then last but not least, I am using the Sharks kit. This one is the only one that I feel comfortable with moving around. Like I might move, like if something comes up, I might end up moving this to like the end of August. I just had this $75 plus freebie that I thought the color kind of matched. But as for this, I also didn't pull anything. But I think for this one, I'm just going to pull a foil bundle. It's also one that I would also consider just like not using foil. And is this hollow? That's hollow. I don't know why that's in with gold. It makes no sense. I think for this one, I'm just going to use like a silver confetti foil bundle and keep it very, very, very simple. But like I said, this one's also one that I would consider doing like no foil and like just getting like these in black. But I think that the silver will look really nice with this. So I have like, you know, all my extras, all the kits have all of the things that I normally need in them. I did get the paint because I like the like blood splatter idea. And I also just really wanted to bring out the red. I also have from Hannah the Shark 15 millimeter strip, again, because I was like, oh, in silver. But I think that this would be really fun also to do in black with this kit. And then do black bougie underneath that. I think that'd be fun. But then I think I'm just going to pair the silver confetti, the new version, foil bundle with it. I think it's just going to bring a little shine and brightness. And then also Hannah did a video where she showed like, she's doing them, I think, from now on, where she shows like Scribble Prints co-kits and like what foils she thinks would go best. And she showed ice and like a bunch of different blues with it, but I think ice is really nice. And then this was in one of my orders. It's like the freebie. It just says shark documentary, beach, swim, vacation. Not gonna do any of those, but that I like the little shark. So I might throw this somewhere on here. And I did like it in ice. I just think it's really, really pretty. So I also wanted to show you when I showed you this, that ice would be really nice with this as well. But I think there's just a lot of options. You could also do like a matte bronze, I think, or a matte silver or gold, or more of that burgundy is really pretty. And like I said, I just threw that back there because I thought it would look nice. And that, my friends, is everything for my lineup. I'm sorry it's a little all over the place, but I'm very excited for this month. I think it's super, super cute. I really feel like I never have anything going on in the summer, and I'm always like, anytime kit, anytime kit, anytime kit, a summer kit, anytime kit, anytime. But I feel like every week has like, besides this one, has like something going on that I'm like even throughout December, the rest of it, I'm like, there's so many things happening in summer that I need to mark this year. So very excited for this lineup. Can't wait to play with these kits in like 20 years whenever I finally get to them. Let me know if you're using any of the same kits that I am, and I will talk to you in my next video.